this is the hardest part of putting the glass in on the Bobcat. Once you've got the glass inside the seal all the way around the edge, the only way to lock this edge down tight against the glass to hold it in is you go back to this bead right here and you have to press it in like that. And if you go slowly back here, you could see this rubber piece goes all the way around. Okay, and when I bought it new, it was too long, so I cut it short. Okay, I cut about 6 inches off of it, which was a good thing because that's actually where you can start the bead. It's at the end. Don't try to do it somewhere else, like over there. Come to the end of the rubber and start there, and that's what locks it in. And you do that all the way around, and this glass is not going to come out.